Kajingdon kinong te vote hamekalia kalakio dasan po ar hajar sauspa khat armut kabala ra ya kajingdon kinong te vote syaka ar po ar lak andre po kendai hajar sanspa khat armut kat kum chief electoral officer Dr. BDR Tiwari na kajingdon kinong te vote baro khat wei lak san po hajar sanspa kendai ngut kidi kikin thei bat khat wei lak khat pra hajar san kendai spa ngut pat kidi shinrang ban riu ngut kidi ni ki wei pat kajela ka don ru lai hajar nyau spa riu pusang ngut ki service voter kata lai hajar riu spa nya pulai ngut kidi shinrang bat kendai pawei ngut kikin thei ka East Khasi Hills ka lalam khamat da kajingdon jong lai lak at pa hajar san spa lai pulai ngut kinong thep vote kat ba ka South West Khasi Hills ka long ka baduna briu tam ka badon tang lai pu pra hajar nyau spa sapu ar ngut utiwari ulapen ba pra hajar kendai spa lai pun riu ngut kinong thep vote kila sha weng no na ka thup kirteng bat lai pu wei hajar lai spa nyau pu ar tali na ki lai pu ar hajar san spa tali ki form pen bai kirteng la dep pha bat la pediang no lor kata ka jingdon jong ki polling station kala kiu sha ka lai hajar san spa san pu wei tali Ketup kerteng batamai ka pen I ka jingkiu jong ar hajar sa pholai ngut kinong thep vote ha West Khasi Hills district.
So we had total electors as on 29th October 2024 when we had the draft roll published 22,40,499 total electors, out of which male electors 11,05,244 and female electors 11,35,250 and transgender 5. And after publication of the draft final roll, now we are having 22,69,512 voters altogether, out of which 11,18,907 male voters, 11,50,599 female voters and 6 third gender voters, total 22,69,512.